Alright guys, welcome to Firearm Farms, and today we're going to be shooting some explosive crossbow bolts, and we kind of had a mishap earlier. Camera wasn't recording, so we have one angle of the explosion but we don't have the second. So today we're going to be shooting an explosive crossbow bolt.
Alright, we got a 120 pound crossbow right here that I bought off eBay for about 50 bucks. It's I mean, it's not the most powerful thing in the world, but it sure does get the job done. So here's the bolts right here. Let me shut that crossbow down. Alright, just a 1/4 inch dowel rod that we put some duct tape fletching on, and this red part's the exploding part. So hope y'all enjoy it.
Dang, that was pretty powerful. Dang, that was pretty powerful.